Daly City Recreation. In honor of National S'mores Day, we will be making some ooey gooey s'mores bar with only 5 ingredients. The first thing you want to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a 13 by 9 pan with parchment paper and set aside. Leave out a 1/4 cup of the graham cracker crumbs and combine the rest with the butter and salt in a medium bowl with a spatula. Press the mixture into the 13 by 9 pan and bake for 10 minutes. Top the graham cracker crust with 4 cups of mini marshmallows and bake for 10 more minutes. Let cool for 5 minutes to let the marshmallows deflate. Add the whole bag of milk chocolate chips in an even layer. Top with any remaining marshmallows and the graham cracker crumbs. Let cool completely before slicing and enjoy!